Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to disable or turn off the Wi-Fi calling option on your Samsung mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to disable the Wi-Fi calling option on a particular SIM or every SIM on your Samsung mobile, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, you just need to click inside the setting option. After entering the setting option, you have a lot of the more option. Here you just need to click on the option called connection. After clicking on the connection, you have this option called Wi-Fi calling. Click on the Wi-Fi calling. After clicking on the Wi-Fi calling, you can see the two SIM card has been enabled to the Wi-Fi calling. You just need to turn this off or disable this Wi-Fi calling option on your Samsung mobile. Just do this. For an example, I just need to disable for SIM card 2. Click on the SIM card, just click this, tap it. You can see the Wi-Fi calling has been turned on or disabled. This is how you just turn off or disable the Wi-Fi calling option on your any Samsung mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.